The news today is the Pope will be discharged tomorrow. That's very important for everybody all over the world. The Holy Father, at the time of his admission to Gemelli Hospital, presented an acute respiratory failure due to polymicrobial infection, viruses, bacteria, and mycetes, that resulted in severe bilateral pneumonia that required a combined pharmacological treatment. The Holy Father was never intubated, and he always remained alert and oriented. The Holy Father will be discharged tomorrow, as we said before, in a stable clinical condition with a prescription to partially continue drug therapy and a convalescence and rest period at least 2 months.